Hello friends, I have already discussed few topics like food, food processing industries, farming, organic farming, etc. in my previous videos. Today I want to tell you something about profile of food processing sector in India. What is the status of food processing sector in India? You all should know one thing that India is the world's second largest producer of food. The food processing sector is critical to India's development, for it establishes a vital linkage and synergy between the two pillars of the economy. Those two pillars are industry and agriculture. The liberalization of the Indian economy and world trade and rising consumer prosperity has thrown up new opportunities for diversification in the food processing sector and opened new vistas for growth. The industry has started producing many new items like ready to eat food, beverages, processed and frozen fruit and vegetable products, IQF products, that is individually cooked frozen products, etc. Now, what is the status of food processing industry in India? This industry ranks 5th in India. It gives around 16 lakh people employment. It has a percentage total of industrial labor force of 19%. The total industry output in percentage 14%, and the total output as percentage of GDP is 5.5% around. Broad categorization of food processing enterprises and their present status in India is related to food and farming. Now, what is the broad categorization or classification of this sector? This sector can be classified into following divisions. Those are fruit and vegetable, milk and milk products, consumer products, alcoholic beverages, grain processing, plantation, etc. Now let's talk about fruits and vegetables. Horticultural crops. Fruits and vegetables contribute to horticultural crops in India. Now these crops are currently grown on 21.8 million hectares, representing 7% of the country's total cropped area. Annual horticultural production is estimated at 240 million metric tons, which is over around 18% of India's gross agricultural output. India is the second largest producer of fruits and vegetables after China. Fruits production in India contributes around 74 million metric tons, and vegetable contributes around 146 million metric tons. India's share of world trade in this sector is still around 1%. Although we are growing a lot of fruits and vegetables on a huge area, we are unable to process these crops, which should be processed. In around 2010-11, processed fruits and vegetables were exported. India's major exports are fruit pulp, pickles, chutneys, canned fruits and vegetables, concentrated pulps and juices, dehydrated vegetables, and frozen fruits and vegetables. Now let's talk something about milk and milk products in India. Again, India is the world's largest milk producer. Around 121 million tons milk is produced annually, and the dairy industry has been recognized the world over as its most successful development program. While consumption of liquid milk accounts for 46% of the total production, the rest is converted into milk products. Of this, the share of the organized sector is less than 10%. The products manufactured by the organized sector are ghee, butter, cheese, ice creams, milk powders, malted milk food, condensed milk, infant foods, etc. The products also include casein, lactose, and dairy whiteners. The per capita availability of milk is around 280 gram per day, and this milk and milk products, they contribute to India's economy. This comprises product groups like confectionery, milk confectionery, milk powders, etc. Now let's talk something about consumer products. Consumer products comprises products like confectionery, chocolates, cocoa products, soya-based products, ready-to-eat foods, mineral water, high-protein foods, etc. This sector also is contributing to the India's GDP. Soft drinks is enjoyed by the biggest share in this country. The Indian soft drink market is in millions per year. Statistically, this implies 3 bottles per Indian. I mean, the per capita is 3 bottles are consumed per person. Cola, orange, and lemon are some of the accepted tastes in India. It is estimated that 65% prefer non-carbonated drinks. Lemon drinks continue to be very popular in India. People prefer lemon drinks in India. Confectionery output grew at a compound rate of 6 to 7% in recent years. Chocolate production is growing at the rate of 10 to 15% approximately a year. Among the ready-to-eat products, the installed capacity in the organized sector is around 3,34,000 tons for manufacture of pasta products like noodles, macaroni, vermicelli, etc. Now this is something about the consumer groups. What are alcoholic beverages or how this contribute to the Indian food processing sector? Liquor made in India is categorized as beer, country liquor and Indian made foreign liquor. Country liquor is made from a variety of raw materials and has different names in different parts of the country. Indian made foreign liquor production comprises wine, vodka, whiskey, gin, rum, brandy, etc. Pre-mix drinks like gin and lime, rum and cola are being introduced in India now. Canned beer is a recent introduction. There are 36 breweries with a licensed capacity of 160 million liters per annum approximately. Approximately current production contributes to around 300 million liters. So you can understand the contribution of alcoholic beverages sector in Indian food processing industries. The Indian beer market also is quite big. The country has around 212 distilleries with a yearly installed capacity of 1933 million liters approximately. However, there are only few units producing IMFL and 31 making country liquor. Alcohol produced by the rest is either sold as industrial alcohol or in bulk as potable alcohol to other distilleries for bottling.